Whether you're tent camping, RV camping, truck camping, or, doing the van life stuff, what's the most important thing to have? Water, right? Water storage. If you're RV camping, you got your big old tanks. If not, if you're doing some tent camping or, van, stuff like that, you need some containers. And let me show you a product that I picked up. So we're out tent camping today, and I got a couple of these 7-gallon water containers that I picked up. If you're interested, the links will be in the description below. I made one up with regular water from home, and then I had one for filtered for drinking. Let me show you. 7 gallons, and on the sides they mark it with liters here, gallons on this side. So I filled them up with water. You take the caps off here, and so inside the cap you have your little spouts. All you got to do is just twist this off. Peel that off. There you go. Turn it around, and then you can twist it like this. Put it back in. Okay. And then you can twist it back on here, hopefully. Then you can just flip it up side down. This is your air vent, so if you want water you can just, oh, that's gonna leak, isn't it? Son of a bitch. Alright, so it took us a little bit of time to get this adjusted to where it's pointing straight down, but so this is your air valve. So if you open this up slow, and this is your spout, so if you twist it, it comes out slow. You can open up your air valve. Oop.
Almost full.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go. Filtered water for drinking, regular water for doing dishes and stuff like that, whatever else. So like I said, these are good for whatever camping you're doing, tent camping especially. And if you need to go get some water, if you run out, you can go carry that and go fill it up and bring it back. Now if you're RV camping and you run, you fill up your RV with water and you run out and you don't want to unhook and go get some more water, if you don't have a water line available, then you can just carry this down and fill it up, and then you can pour it into your tanks. A lot of people use these for when they're building out their trailers, their cargo trailer, camper conversions. They have a sink in their cargo trailers or their vans and stuff, and they use these for like their fresh water. They put them under their sink there with a little pump it in, and then they use one for like the drain. Many uses for these. So like I said, links will be in the description below. Relatively cheap, easy, a little heavy. 7 pounds of water is a little heavy, but but It's going to work out great for us for here, for camping. Links will be in the description below if you're interested. You know, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Leave a comment, what do you think? And we'll see you in the next video.